Hello my friends, it's almost Christmas. We're almost done with this hellacious year of the stock market. I think it's all pretty safe to say we've all lost our ASS this year in the market for the majority of everything. But you know what? I sat down this week and I went, okay, going into this new year here, 2023, I really want to focus on what do I want to put money in here. I had an okay year, not a great year. Even top people, I follow a lot of people. I know a lot of people that invest in the stock market, even guys that do this for a living. Everyone's having a rough go right now. It's just the way it is. If you're down, don't feel like it's just you. It is the tides right now. It's the color in the water. It just is what it is. But with the market being trashed, as we know, there's a lot of good deals right now. There's a lot of things that are really affordable for every general investor here right now. Saying that, before I talk about, obviously, I'm going to talk about Tesla here. I do want to put this in your head. I want you to think about this right here. If you are an investor or you're thinking about investing, this is think about this here. If you meet someone that doesn't really invest in the stock market, they're all saying the same thing. Wow, the market's really destroyed. Glad I don't have money in that, or I'm not going to put money in that because what's the point? It's just destroyed. They just missed the boat completely. When the market is down and destroyed, that is when you want to go after it. Because what do we know what's going to happen here? Eventually, we're going to have a bull market again. We're going to have a run again. Now, X time, when is that going to happen? No one knows. No one knows. Is it going to be in 2023? I highly doubt it. I am not a professional in any regard, but I know what this year is going to be. It's pretty much going to be just an election race year where that's all we're going to hear about, with nothing really being done. Let's be honest, Biden's going to be giving a lot of speeches this year. He's probably going to be saying a lot of cringy stuff that's going to hurt the market even more. And I'm not trying to start fights in politics here. I'm just saying this is probably the reality of what's coming here in this year for us investors. This is going to be a heavy buying year. The crypto market is destroyed because, we've got all these old guys talking about they don't get crypto, and they're just saying things to destroy it. That's a whole nother thing. If you know, then just focus on that. But I'm still investing in crypto. I do believe it's going to have its day. So Tesla, talking about Tesla here, going into 2023 here, Tesla is going to be one of my main focus with stocks here. I personally believe, obviously, in the next 2 weeks, we're going to see Tesla potentially even go down even more. And I say that because these next 2 weeks in the market are probably going to continue to be bloodbaths because, people are just unloading their bags right now. They're just selling out. They're going to do the taxes. And they're going to be like, I just want to start fresh. I want to start clean. And they're going to get rid of it. So Tesla's coming off these two stock splits right now. We've had pretty much two stock splits back to back here within years time. So personally, I really think, and I could be wrong, and I probably am wrong, who knows, but I do think Tesla more than likely will see itself go down a little more. I would even dare say we could see Tesla maybe even go into maybe by January, February, somewhere there in March, because the market usually still does not so great in there. And especially if we see maybe if inflation doesn't straighten out, rates go up even more, we could possibly see the wrong rates go up, let me say that. We could see the stock market continue to take drastic crashes, and this is going to be a year of just of what's coming for 2024 with our, who's going to be the new president. Is there going to be a new president? So we could see Tesla really take a tumble here. And let's be honest, it's, off these two splits here already, it's still a very expensive stock. So, I'm going to throw this out there. We could definitely see Tesla fall to a 120, 130. I think that would be fantastic, and I think that would be good for the stock to get people up and involved for it again. Now, obviously why I am focusing on Tesla this year is because of what's to come in the next few years with Tesla. And I believe there's going to be another Tesla bull market here in the next X amount of time to come. And listen, like, this is not a video of me promoting Elon Musk in any way. I personally, I love what Elon's doing. I think he's doing great things for the space race and everything. I'm obsessed with that kind of stuff. So that goes into a lot of factors here with what I see with Tesla. You know, there's more people for Elon Musk in Tesla than there are. So I'm expecting Tesla probably within the next 3 to 5 years to have another reverse split. And that's what I'm betting on. That's what I'm investing on. I'm obviously investing in Tesla as them as a whole company and what's going to be happening there. But I'm also pushing and hoping that we're going to see another stock split here in the next 3 to 5 years. That I do believe that Tesla could be somewhat similar to an Apple situation. Now, Elon is talking, he's making hints of starting his own phone company. I think there's going to be more coming out here. Now, is that going to be under Tesla? I don't know. But I do believe when Elon says good things, that Tesla will move on that. His literally the veins of Elon are connected to Tesla. We've seen that time and time again when he talks. Tesla goes up or down. We've seen that a lot. Friends, I'm not going over a chart. This is pretty much self-explanatory what's going on here with Tesla. We're at the end of the year. I'm not going over numbers, the Q, the reports, everything. I'm going simply off probably what we're going to potentially see here with Tesla and what I'm hoping for here. So, like I said, this is strictly what I am going after here with Tesla. This is going to be a long-term investment, and Tesla's going to have a lot more things going on here. I mean, the truck is still coming out, so they can never get it out. But as we continue to see Tesla stock drop here, I'm looking at this as opportunity. I know there's people losing money. I know there's people saying, whatever, I'm going to buy even more. Just look at where we are in the market. Look where we are in time. The stock market is just a revolving circle. It's a revolving door. It just, has its big moments and it has its terrible moments and it has just its cold winters where nothing's really happening and it's a long season. And, the past year we've just kind of been in a hurricane with it. So we'll see where we land here with everything. So friends, I just want to throw this out there and let you know what I'm doing, what I think. This is my theory of what I think with Tesla. And I know there's going to be a lot of people coming at me with saying this about Tesla, that about Tesla. I get it. I know. I've read a lot. I keep up with Tesla. I keep up with Elon. All of it. Just like most people. I think if you're obsessed with stock market, you have to be obsessed with what Elon's doing because he is such a radical figure in our nation and how he moves things. So, I mean, obviously a lot more than our president at times. Friends, I really do want to wish all of you best of luck with what's coming here in the new year. And I do want to say Merry Christmas. And I just want to thank you for a great year. We survived the stock market this year. And it's been a lot of fun, a lot of opportunity, a lot of loss too. But I'm excited of what's to come here, friends. So with all that, have a great night, great day, wherever you are. Bye, friends.